Welcome to our NFT Gallery React project walkthrough. We will first explain the structure, and later highlight how we can upgrade it with advanced features. Let's begin with the search bar. It allows users to instantly find NFTs by typing a name or keyword, improving the browsing experience. Next is the sort component. This helps arrange NFTs by price, popularity, or date, giving users control over how they explore the collection. The filter component makes discovery easier. Users can refine NFTs by categories like artist, type, rarity, or price range. These features work together using React context. This central state management ensures smooth data sharing across components. On the homepage, users are welcomed with an introduction and highlighted previews of selected NFTs for quick engagement. The NFT gallery displays all items in a responsive grid layout, keeping the design modern and minimal to highlight the artwork itself. Each NFT has its own details page, showing complete metadata like artwork, artist, description, and price. Invalid routes are handled by the Not Found page, displaying a friendly error message with a navigation option. Navigation between pages is seamless thanks to React Router, providing a single-page app experience. At the top, the nav bar allows quick navigation. At the bottom, the footer displays important links and credits. All NFT data is initially loaded from data.js, containing sample items with titles, artists, images, and prices. That's the basic structure. Now, let's talk about how we can take this project further with advanced upgrades. Instead of static data, we can fetch real NFTs using APIs. This brings live collections, making the gallery dynamic and always up to date. So the gallery loads only when needed, improving speed and user experience. As our filters and sorting grow complex, animations with framer motion can enhance the design, making NFT cards, modals, and transitions smooth and engaging, giving users a personalized gallery experience. With lazy loading, image optimization, and server-side rendering. This completes the overview of our NFT gallery project. From basic structure to advanced features, it is designed to grow step by step,